If you want to unpublish a site in Framer or remove a published domain from your project, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact steps. This is really helpful if you no longer want a site live, you want to switch domains, or you simply want to clean up an old project. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more easy Framer tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your project inside Framer. Once your project is loaded, look to the top right corner of the screen and click Publish. This is where Framer keeps all of your publishing and domain settings, so even if your site is already live, this is still the place you need to go. After clicking Publish, you'll see the publishing panel. From there, go to Domains. This section shows every domain connected to your Framer project, including the one that is currently published. Now find the domain you want to unpublish. If you have more than one connected, make sure you choose the correct one so you don't remove the wrong site. Once you've found it, click the three dots icon next to the domain. This opens the options menu for that domain. In that menu, click Remove Domain. Framer will ask you to confirm your choice, and this is your final chance to double check that you're removing the right domain. If everything looks correct, confirm the action. As soon as you confirm, the domain will be disconnected from your Framer project, which effectively unpublishes that site from that custom domain. If that was your only published domain, your site will no longer be accessible at that address. And that's it. You've successfully unpublished your site in Framer by removing the domain. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. If this tutorial saved you time, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Framer how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.